Hi, welcome to Hybrid Summit Session 1, Take 5,679. No, I haven't done that many video takes, but you know how it is recording. Well, we want to assure you you are in the right place. This is the first online session of Hybrid Summit. We thought, what better way to teach and learn about hybrid than to model the hybrid format? So your first session is designed to be completely online. You'll do some of the reading and a whole lot of reflecting and submit 3 assignments. We request that you submit these 3 reflection assignments by 5 p.m. the evening before you see us in person. By submitting the evening before, that gives Mary and I the opportunity to look over your submissions before we see you in class the next day. We will meet in person on the 3rd floor of Choya 307 to be exact, on the Pecos campus. We can't wait to see you in person. It's been a long time. But this in-person session will give you the opportunity to collaborate and partner and work with peers and colleagues to help you think through and reflect on your own hybrid course. If you're a first-time designer, we're excited to work with you. If you're a pro, we can't wait for the tips and tricks you've learned and hope you'll share with us. So this course will hopefully have something for everyone. Expect to be highly engaged and interactive. You'll bring the reflections, or at least your notes from them, to the in-person session so you can share and we can collaborate and learn and grow. The final session is also an independent online session. You'll submit the activities for that within 1 week of your in-person session. Last but not least, there's an optional face-to-face session where you can meet your department colleagues and start setting up that room or thinking through processes and procedures in the classroom, specifically in your content area. We'll talk a little bit more about that later. The overall summit objective is for you to be able to clearly describe your hybrid class to potential students. The specific objective of Session 1 is to identify the key elements of your hybrid course format or framework. We'll start with what is a hybrid course. It can be confusing for students, as hybrid is just one of several course delivery formats students see upon registration. This is what they see as far as delivery options when they go to find a class. How would you describe hybrid to your students? This is taken from CGCC's website under Types of Classes, where they attempt to clarify 4 different course structures. And later down that page, there's a chart that attempts to clarify formats for students, allowing them to take a look at the features that are most important to them. Notice, the hybrid format offers all of the features, where the chart features hybrid as the best of both worlds. No matter which definition you're looking at, hybrid is a mix of in-person and online. What will be the most effective mix for your class to truly make hybrid the best of both worlds for you and your students? In this session, you'll have the opportunity to read an article from the Chronicle of Higher Education, all while thinking about how you personally will help minimize this confusion for students in your own class. Next, you'll have the opportunity to reflect on both modalities in your course, online and in person. Use this graphic organizer to give you the opportunity to reflect on where your strengths are and where some of the challenges are with your course content in each modality. Once you've completed the reflection, you'll read an introduction to hybrid teaching. As you can see from the table of contents, there is a lot of valuable information in here, from structuring classes to tips for success. Once you've read the article, you'll have one more opportunity to reflect. This worksheet is designed to help you analyze your content and make critical decisions on structuring your class to support student learning. Ever hear of an elevator pitch? Well, this is your final assignment before we meet each other in person. The challenge with this assignment is that you will have to pare down to your top 5 ideas. When I started brainstorming, I got about 20, so paring down is going to be the challenging part. Just a reminder, all of the pre-work in this session ties directly to the activities we'll be doing in our group work once we meet. So please bring either copies of your work or your ideas jotted down in a notebook to share. You'll complete this first session in preparation for our in-person session. Complete all 3 of the assignments. Don't forget to submit before 5 p.m. We can't wait to see you in the classroom. And don't forget your mask.